Welcome back to Rhythm Guitar Book 3. This book takes a deep dive into all sorts of movable chord shapes. We're on page 73. This lesson includes 2 different kinds of minor 7 flat 5 shapes, 2 different dominant 7 shapes, and 2 different minor shapes. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of Rhythm Guitar 3 that you can read from and write in. Plus you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. On page 73, we have number R96, this minor 7 flat 5 to dominant 7 to minor etude. This is going to mix up all sorts of shapes. We'll just talk through those shapes as we go. We begin with the G minor 7 flat 5 using our new A minor 7 flat 5 shape. That one has a root note on the 5th string, so we need to find a G on the 5th string. That's going to be up at the 10th fret, and we play the shape. Then we have a C7 using the E7 shape. The E7 shape has a root on the 6th string, so you need to find a C on the 6th string for your root. That's at the 8th fret, and you play the shape, the E7 shape. And then we have an F minor using the A minor shape. The A minor shape has a root on the 5th string. We need to find an F on the 5th string. That's also at the 8th fret, and then you play the A minor shape from there. Line 2, we have a C minor 7 flat 5 using the E minor 7 flat 5 shape. So that shape has a root on the 6th string, and we need to find a C on the 6th string. That's going to be at the 8th fret, and you play that shape from there. And then we have an F7 using the C7 shape. So the F root note is at the 8th fret, and we play the C7 shape from there. Remember, moving from this E minor 7 flat 5 shape, the C minor 7 flat 5 right here, first finger going to the F7 just has to slide over 1 fret, so use that as a guide. Then we have a B flat minor using the E minor shape. The E minor shape has a root on the 6th string. Need to find a B flat note on the 6th string for our root. That's at the 6th fret, and you play that minor shape. Beginning in line 3, we're going to repeat those moves. So lines 3, 5, and 7, you're going to play the same moves you did in line 1, and in line 4 and 6, you're going to do the same moves you did in line 2. So let's look at line 3. F minor 7 flat 5 using the A minor 7 flat 5 shape. Need to find your F on the 5th string, 8th fret. Play the minor 7 flat 5 shape from there, the A minor 7 flat 5. And then a B flat 7 using the E7 shape. Find your B flat on the 6th string, play the shape. Then an E flat minor using the A minor shape. Find your E flat on the 5th string. That's at the 6th fret. And there you go. Line 4, B flat minor 7 flat 5. So we go back to that same B flat root note you were just playing. Form the E minor 7 flat 5 shape. Move to an E flat 7. Again, remember your first finger can just slide over for this. The root note for the E flat 7 on the 5th string will be on the 6th fret as well. And then the A flat minor using our 6th string E minor shape. So the A flat on the 6th string is at the 4th fret. Play the shape. Moving to an E flat minor 7 flat 5 in the 5th line. Our E flat note on the 5th string is at the 6th fret. Play the A minor 7 flat 5 shape. Moving to an A flat 7 using the E7 shape. So our A flat on the 6th string, 4th fret. D flat minor, our root note is going to be on the 5th string at the 4th fret with the A minor shape. G sharp minor 7 flat 5, our root note is going to be on the 4th, and this is with an E minor 7 flat 5 shape. Root note is going to be on the 6th string, 4th fret. So play the E minor 7 flat 5 right there. Moving to a C sharp 7, that's with a C7 shape. So the root note is going to be at the 4th fret, but this time on the 5th string. F sharp minor using the E minor shape. So our F sharp on the 6th string is going to be the 2nd fret. Play the minor shape. And last line, C sharp minor 7 flat 5. That's a mouthful. The root note is going to be with the A minor 7 flat 5 shape. The root note is going to be at the 4th fret on the 5th string to an F sharp 7. We need to find an F sharp on the 6th string. That's going to be the 2nd fret for our E7 shape. And finally, a B minor using the A minor shape, which is a 5th string root. So B on the 5th string is at the 2nd fret. You play the A minor shape. Once you're comfortable finding and playing those chords, go ahead and play through the exercise as we've done throughout this book. Play at a nice, easy pace using a nice, easy pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Slide your first finger. Your assignment is to practice the exercise on page 73. And don't forget to order your own copy of Rhythm Guitar 3. The link is in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 74. You're going to learn the C minor 7 flat 5 shape.